Hi, I'm Taylor Baker, an aquatic biologist here at Aquatic Control. Are you tired of fighting weeds and algae every summer? With our Clean Lake Maintenance program, so many pond owners are getting their ponds back and their weekends back. Every week, I talk with pond owners who have tried everything on their own. They spent time spraying, spent money on chemicals, and they spent their weekends fighting weeds and algae, yet nothing seems to last. One customer told us, "I spent years and lots of time and money trying to get my ponds right. This year, they finally look beautiful." The Clean Lake Maintenance program takes the frustration off of your shoulders. We provide routine, professional care from licensed experts so your pond stays healthy and clear all season long without the DIY burnout. Pond problems don't fix themselves. Algae blooms, weeds, and murky water can come back fast if they aren't treated consistently and correctly. DIY treatments might seem cheaper at first, but they rarely solve the root issue. Most customers come to us after years of trying on their own. Pro tip: clear water isn't about treating algae, it's about consistency. Regular maintenance discourages problems from coming back in the first place. With the Clean Lake Maintenance program, we take over the hard part so that you can enjoy your pond, not fight it. Here's how it works. During the growing season, one of our licensed technicians visits your pond every other week. We monitor water quality, treat algae and weeds as needed, and apply pond dye and other solutions to keep things balanced. This isn't just a one and done treatment. It's a season-long management program designed to keep your pond clear, healthy, and enjoyable. One customer told us, "You saved me so much time and effort. Now I actually get to enjoy my pond instead of fighting it." To our knowledge, no other company in the region manages as many ponds and lakes as we do. We've been doing this since 1966, and we service thousands of ponds every year across multiple states. Our teams don't just spray and leave. We inspect, treat, adjust, and communicate so you're aware of what is happening with your pond. Aquatic Control shows up when they say they will, and they don't just treat the symptom, they fix the problem. That's what our customers tell us. If you're tired of DIY and want your pond to stay clean and enjoyable, it's time to get help from the team that's done this for 60 years. Click the link in the description and schedule your free consultation and learn more about our Clean Lake Maintenance program. Let us handle the work so you can finally enjoy the pond you've always wanted.